I was gonna make a video yesterday, but my voice was completely gone. Like, I sounded like this and I couldn't talk at all, and it wasn't very good. So I decided to take a sick day, if you will, and rest my voice. And the reason my voice was sore is because, as most of you guys know, I do coach high school basketball, and we had our first playoff game of the year, first round of playoffs. I mean, I love my guys and they're great, but also I was extremely nervous because we have this habit of making really dumb mistakes, and I was freaking out before the game. I was just a nervous wreck. Actually, you know what? Instead of me explaining it, let me show you how bad I was before the game. We have exactly 68 minutes until our playoff game starts. First playoff game, first round playoffs. We have not had a successful season. We finished 11th out of 12 teams. I mean, it's not that we don't have talent on the team, it's just, it was a growing season of teaching people how to play under pressure. We lost, I think, 8 games this season by 4 or less points. We are not good at closing games, which is making me even more stressed. Like, we need to be up by 15 going into the 4th. Otherwise, we're gonna screw up, we're gonna turn over the ball, we're gonna do something stupid, our offense is gonna stall. We are not good at closing games. I am a nervous wreck right now. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I think we can win the game. I know we can win the game if we play smart. That's a big if. That is a very, very big if, because we have had about 3/4 of a game where we've played smart collectively all season. I love the kids, don't get me wrong, they're amazing. But just dumb mistakes, turnovers. This team plays super high pressure defense that we're playing against, so I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm gonna stay confident, I'm gonna calm down, I think we're gonna be good. Game starts in 66 minutes. And guess what we did? Guess what we did? We played dumb, turned over the ball 35 times. It's so frustrating too. We have this guy that's a lights out 3-point shooter, hit 8 3-pointers, just bang, 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 bang. And then we turn over the ball, and then we turn over the ball, and then we miss a help side rotation, and then we turn over the ball. It's so frustrating. Hey guys, what is up? Back with another video. I hope all of you guys are doing very, very good today. I'm doing pretty good. It's starting to warm up a little bit in the city, which is nice. I think we're on what, February 21st, February 22nd, something like that, and it means that winter is almost over. I'm really looking forward to it warming up, and something I'm also looking forward to is that this weekend we have one of the best pairs of sneakers to release this year that is dropping, and that's actually saying something because we've had a lot of amazing sneaker releases this year already. Like, I was looking at my black cement 3s, and I was looking at my black cement 4s or bread 4s or whatever you want to call those, and I honestly couldn't decide which was better. Like, I was like, are the bread 4s better? Are the black cement 3s better? I honestly have no clue. They are both amazing shoes, but I think the pair of shoes that comes out this weekend is even better. I'm lucky enough to already have one pair secured. I think I'm probably going to be able to get a pair online, and then we are heading to Livestock right now to get pair number 3. They are doing a raffle. I'm going to go grab a raffle ticket, and hopefully we'll be able to win a pair at Livestock as well. I know 3 pairs is a little bit excessive, but it's the bread toe ones, and I love Jordan 1s. I love black and red. Those things are amazing, and if I can get 3 pairs, I'm gonna get 3 pairs. Got the raffle ticket right here. We're good. So I have 1 pair secured already, the bread toe ones. That is from one of my plugs that's already has my pair secured, sending it to me. That pair is 100% showing up. So I already have my pair, which is great. But I would love a second pair. I would love a third pair. I know it's a lot of money, but let's be serious. Jordan 1s are some of the best shoes ever created. So if I can get a 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th pair of these bread toe ones, I'm going to take. I mean, they're so freaking nice. You can't pass them up. Speaking of nice shoes, I just saw these right here. If you guys like these, come through and pick these up at Livestock. Woo. These pink suede Converse, I think these are called the Pro Stars or something like that. I'm not a huge Converse aficionado, but these are absolutely wild. Pink suede, it's like super long-haired suede. These things are crazy. Since I do coach basketball, I get a lot of people asking me, Tom, you know what, I love your videos and I also play basketball and I want to know what's something I can work on for basketball. Like what's something my coach wants to see? I want to make the varsity team. What's something my coach wants to see? This is what your coach wants to see. This can go even outside of basketball. This can go into life. This can go into YouTube. This can go into your career. Anything. Fight, fight, fight. And I don't mean ball up your fists and go up to someone and say, want to scrap? I mean fight. If you're looking to make a basketball team or a YouTube channel or a job or anything, yeah, you can have a pretty decent jump shot, but someone's gonna have a better jump shot than you. You can be pretty good at going to the hoop, but someone's gonna be better at it. You can be pretty good at blocking shots, but there's gonna be someone better at it. If you want to succeed, if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, if you want to make that varsity basketball team, you need to dive on the floor for loose rebounds. I don't care if your finger hurts, don't ask to be subbed out, fight through the pain. I don't care if you're tired, fight through the pain. If there's a rebound, you hit the guy and box him out. Even if he's 150 pounds heavier than you, you need to fight through it. If there's a YouTube channel bigger than you and he's getting more views than you, make better videos. If there's a guy at your job that is doing a better job than you and gets promoted and you don't, do a better job at work. Even if you don't want to some days, even if you want to take a sick day, even if you want to leave early, fight through it and do it. I, as a basketball coach, love taking those guys that maybe in terms of skill are the 8th, 9th, 10th best player on the team, but in terms of heart and desire to win are the best player on the team. In that aspect, a coach will always take that. A job will always take that. That fight to succeed, that want to get it is something that anyone will always look for. So if you're looking to make a basketball team, looking to make a YouTube channel, looking for your job, fight for it, want it, compete. That is one of the most frustrating things I see is people that have the talent, but they watch the ball roll out of bounds. People that have the talent, but they're a little bit tired, so they ask to get subbed out. Don't be that guy. Fight through it. Now, corny rant aside, hopefully that was helpful to some of you guys asking. I did get a pair of shoes in the mail today. This is from the good folks over at PUMA. PUMA, I really appreciate it. You've been sending me a crap ton of shoes. I don't have anything to open this box up with, so we are just ripping it. Ah, that was terrifying. Woo, my light fell. That was scary. I don't know what these are. PUMA's been sending me a bunch of shoes, and this is, I think, the 4th or 5th pair of shoes I've got from them in the past 2 weeks, which is crazy. So PUMA, keep on sending them out. I really appreciate you guys over there. This is going to be another 50th anniversary pair of shoes. So PUMA, keep on sending out these 50th anniversary shoes. I really appreciate it. PUMA Suede, a street legend, established 1968, reimagined in 2016. So let's see what we got here. Tom, the suede is turning 50. The golden suede celebrates a timeless streetwear legend. Hashtag for all time. Thank you very much, PUMA. I appreciate it. So it says the golden suede. So I'm expecting something gold here. I love gold sneakers. If you guys are new to the channel, there's just something about gold sneakers, especially black and gold sneakers. It's like, ooh, just something so pretty about a gold pair of kicks. So hopefully these things are very nice. We got some paper. We got some more paper. Let us see. Oh my God. Woo. These are gold. These are gold, all right. Oh my goodness, these are gold. Wow, these are gold. What in the world? You know, like when you see those robot guys that are stand still and street perform, like the guys that don't move at all and they're spray painted gold or they're spray painted silver. They could wear these shoes. That's what it looks like. It looks like PUMA took these shoes and just spray painted them gold. This is absolutely wild. Oh my goodness. These are insane. So it's like an icy, milky bottom, like this white bottom here, which is crazy in itself. And then the upper is just bam, gold with sparkly laces and gold on the inside. And 50th anniversary, 1968 on this heel. Does it say 2018? Yes, it does. 2018 on this heel. These are absolutely freaking insane. It's just gold. Bam! How do you wear a gold pair of shoes? Like, how do you just put on an outfit? My skin color is too white to wear a pair of shoes like this. Like, I'm a white guy, I can't wear these. Wow. These are insane. I love these. Like, these look freaking amazing. I just don't know how I can wear these without looking like a complete buffoon. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. If you guys have any outfit suggestions, let me know down in the comment section below. Wow. Wow. These are wild. That's all I have to say about them. Guys, go pick them up at your local PUMA retailer, Foot Locker, Champs. I really don't know where these are gonna be sold. These things are insane. I really like these, but I don't know how I'm gonna wear them. If you guys are still watching to this point of the video, let me know down in the comment section below by commenting all gold everything. And I also want to hear from you guys. Out of 10, what would you rate these things? Would you give them a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I think I'm gonna give these a solid 9. I very much like these. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave you here with an on-foot look of these freaking gold PUMA suedes, which ironically don't have any suede on them, so take that for what you will. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.